This looks really good. I was just outside while you were demoing. Your roof doesn't move. You did a really good job. Yeah, nice job, man.
Yeah, it does move a little bit over here.
A little bit? Yeah, in the front.
Yeah.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man, for the video?
My name is Mariano, Trailblazer on Instagram. I have two Crescendo 6Ks, 9.7, and 4Z515s.
Okay.
When you first heard it was on 2 8Ks Terrams. And actually doing more power now on the 6Ks.
Okay.
Crescendo.
So did you change your wiring load at all, or was it the same on both?
No, same on both. I'm just clamping more out of the Crescendos.
Okay.
Yeah. It sounds a little different. It sounds a lot deeper.
Okay.
I guess going from the Brazilian board to the Korean board.
Yeah. Do you know your tunings on it?
It's 2550.
2550. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. awesome, man.
Sounds like it's playing a little better.
Yeah. A little cleaner with the Korean board, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I'm actually surprised I'm getting out of the 6K.
It's impressive for the power. Thank you very much. Good job, man. What was your SPL score wise on? Have you tested it?
I haven't tested all these amps. I just got them in yesterday, so
Okay.
I don't know what it's doing.
What were you on the 8Ks?
On the 8Ks, my peak was 30 and I was doing a 59.6.
Okay.
So it should be doing a 60 now.
Okay. Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Congrats.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.